হ্যালো, ওয়েলকাম টু আজ তক বাংলা। আবারও আপনাদের সঙ্গে আমি সৌমিতা আছি। আমার সঙ্গে কোন গেস্ট আছে আজকে সেটা তো আপনারা দেখতেই পারছেন। হিয়ার আই ওয়েলকাম তানিশা মুখার্জি। হাই তানিশা, ওয়েলকাম টু আজ তক বাংলা।
Hello everyone, thank you for having me.
বাংলাতেই প্রথমে জিজ্ঞেস করছি কেমন আছো?
কেমন আছো? খুব ভালো।
তানিশা, আপনাদের জন্য বলে রাখি, তানিশা কিন্তু বাংলা বোঝে এবং কিছুটা কিছুটা বলতে পারে। সো আমাদের আজকের সেশনটা আমরা মিক্সচার অফ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে করব। সো সামনেই
আমি
তোমার
বলতে পারি না।
নট অ্যান ইস্যু। সামনে বিগ ব্যান ওটিটি প্ল্যাটফর্মে তোমার ওয়েব সিরিজ আসছে অ্যান্ড এটা তোমার ডেবিউ ওয়েব সিরিজ। সো ইফ ইউ শেয়ার যে কিরকম কি এক্সপিরিয়েন্স ওভারঅল।
Uh, the Big Bang Ote, my first short film that I've done, which is a beautiful short film, and I'm very happy that it's launching on Big Bang because it's my first project that I've done, and it's a very touching subject, and that's why I feel that people all over the world will identify with it. It's something that it's a pandemic in our country today, suicide. It's a very serious issue. Magar in our short film, we've shown it in a very entertaining, interesting way. And in fact, I'm playing a Bengali actress. I'm playing Debina, and she's this drama queen daughter actress, basically. So it's a very interesting character for me to play. And the fact that it's coming on Big Bang, which is a new platform that's launching, and it's available for just 11 rupees subscription fee a year. I think it's superb because that means that what we wanted for our film also was a good a lot of people to be able to see it, and the fact that it's going to be so readily available at such an easy price will give a lot of people access to it, and that's a very important thing.
How much Tanisha is different from the character you're playing?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
How much Tanisha is different from the character you're playing?
Oh God, please don't say I'm like the character I'm playing. She's very, I hope I'm very different from the character that I'm playing, because Debina is an exaggerated version of a delusional actress. She's, it's like जो होता है ना कि your little drama थोड़ा ज्यादा exaggerate करना पड़ता है सिनेमा के लिए, whereas हम जो रियल लाइफ में हैं वो थोड़ा कम होता है. Like we're not so like if she's angry, then she'll get very angry, she'll be very nasty, because we exaggerate it for cinema. So
That
we all
tantrum.
have tantrum, lot of tantrums. We all see, हम सब जिंदगी में थोड़े थोड़े tantrums फेंकते हैं. हम अपनी माँ के साथ फेंकते हैं, बाप के साथ फेंकते हैं, कभी कभी like हम अपने husband के साथ tantrum फेंकेंगे, right? We all do it. So what's beautiful is that हमने ये सब characteristics एक character में डाल के इतना exaggerate किया है, and of course उसको एक actress बनाया है, तो वो थोड़ा ज्यादा glamorous exaggeration हो गया है character का. But the beauty of this character is that जो देबीना में है, जो insecurity उसमें है, जो tantrums वो फेंक रही है, जो drama वो कर रही है, वो सब हम सब में है. ये सब aspects कहीं कहीं इतने exaggerated नहीं, but कहीं कहीं ये सब aspects they are inside all of us. So I hope कि सब थोड़ा देबीना के साथ identify कर पाएंगे. I hope I'm not such a delusional actress कि मैं इतने tantrums फेंकती हूँ and all that. But I'm sure कि I have to say कि ये role करने के बाद I took a second look at myself. I had to look at myself as how do I talk to people? मैं लोगों के साथ कैसे बात करती हूँ? And हर इंसान को ये देखना चाहिए कि आप लोगों को कैसे ट्रीट करते हो, आप एक दूसरे को कैसे ट्रीट करते हो, आप लोगों के साथ कैसे बात करते हो. जो आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग होगी, आपको शायद पता भी नहीं होगा कि आप शायद कुछ गलत बोल रहे हो, आपकी कल्चरल अपब्रिंगिंग होगी या आपकी. So it's opening our eyes, it's waking you up to being more sensitive to people.
As you said तनीषा, इस फिल्म की जो सब्जेक्ट लाइन है उस पे लिलीपुट जी भी है, ऐसे एक ड्वार्फ कैरेक्टर को लेके भी ऐसे कुछ फिल्म की स्टोरी लाइन है. सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन, आजकल तो ये सब बॉडी शेमिंग ये सब चलता ही रहता है, सो व्हाट इज योर से ऑन इट?
It's brilliant. I think ये जो हमारा subject है on suicide, it deals with suicide, it deals with mental health, and mental health is such an important subject today because हम इसको दिखा रहे हैं in a very interesting way, in a very entertaining way. We're showing this whole concept because Lilliput ji has had to face it all his life, I'm sure, you know, and उसने openly कहा है. But मैंने जब भी उनसे काम किया, I saw this brilliant actor, an amazing actor, and humble and creative. And I think जो experience हमारा रहा, which was a beautiful experience because I have always been taught by my mother to respect your elders and respect your seniors. So I took Lilliput ji as a senior in the industry. You know, he's been working for so many years. He's one of the seniors of our industry. So I think because हम जो set पे थे, जो हम तीनों विक्रम, लिलीपुट जी और मैं, we all three came from a space of respect. जब भी आप respect को center रखते हो ना, तो creativity flow हो सकती है. And I think that was the biggest thing for us. We, you know, Lilliput ji gave me a lot of respect, which I was so touched and humbled by. And I gave him a lot of respect. So, you know, there was an openness. कि वो जब भी कुछ बोलते थे तो we would incorporate. मैं कभी जो कुछ बोलती थी, you know, he would say, how do you want to do this scene? It was a beautiful process and I think वो दिखता है, screen पे वो सब दिखता है. जब भी respect है आपके craft के लिए respect है, आपके काम के लिए respect है, तो वो सब दिखता है screen पे. And I hope that audiences see this because this film deals with, you know, perception. कि हम किसी, you cannot judge a book by its cover. What
would you like to say to the society, like in even social media also we can see lot of messages, lot of comments, they are abusing people.
So what I want to say is that this film deals with how we perceive people and it opens up your eyes. So see, I don't believe in schooling people. You cannot school people, right? People are going to behave how they are. We have to entertain people and at the same time we have to entertain them with a message, with a awakening to make you realize, to make you open your eyes. When you see things, that's how you, when you, like पुराने ज़माने में अकबर बिरबल की कहानियाँ होती थी जो हम सुनते थे और वो कहानियाँ सुन के हमें वो moral values मिलते थे, correct? जैसे मेरी ग्रैंडमदर मुझे एक अकबर बिरबल की कहानी बताती थी, you know, about राजा अकबर ने बिरबल को कहा कि अभी खिचड़ी ये एक आदमी उसके पूल में, you know, he was swimming in his pool at night and Akbar said, how dare he swim in my pool? And you know, he was standing in his pool all night. He was like, no, he was not standing all night. He got the light from the lamp, so he was not freezing, and the lamp was very far away. And Akbar had punished this man, and he said, no, he has to stand for one more night because he got warmed by the lamp of the light of the lamp. So one day, Akbar and Birbal were out in the jungle, and they were having this, you know, they stopped somewhere, and they didn't have any food to eat. So Akbar told Birbal, you know, make me some khichdi. So Akbar said, okay, fine. 2 hours later, Akbar goes, khichdi is not ready. Birbal has put the khichdi pot on the top of the tree, and the fire is down. And he's cooking the khichdi, and he's sitting there. And Akbar said, Birbal, kya kar raha hai? And Birbal says, Sab, khichdi ban rahi hai. And he said, are you crazy? The fire is never going to reach the khichdi. It's on the top of the tree. The fire is down on the ground. So he's like, just like the man got hot because of the lamp light, like that, the khichdi will also pako.
True that.
So this is the beauty of Life is Short. We are showing you suicide, we're showing you perceptions, we're showing you body shaming, we're showing you all of this. We're showing you how we treat people that don't look how we think they should look. We're showing you that how we treat people with physical disabilities, of how we treat people who we don't think are Instagram beautiful, you know? Like, why? What are these perceptions of beauty that we now have that are controlling our behaviors? And how is that controlling our environment and the people we're interacting with, and what is it creating? What good is it doing to the community? It doesn't do any good. It only creates negativity. So to all those people who are doing all this, I just feel that
it's a message to all of them.
Yeah, definitely. It's not just a message. It's a very entertaining story.
Okay.
You will be surprised by the end. You will think something and you will get something.
मतलब यहाँ पे भी कहानी में twist है.
हर कहानी में twist है. वरना आप Big Bang पे क्यों लेंगे ये product?
True that. अच्छा, you have worked on film, now OTT. Which one did you enjoy more?
I think एक एक्टर को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है क्योंकि you see the film. ये distribution aspect है. OTT film is all distribution channels. At the end of the day, you want your work to be out there. You want people to see your work. You want your craft to be appreciated. As an actor, that's all that matters to you. So I think good content is something that is growing thanks to OTT. And I think that's a benefit of OTT. कि अभी content बहुत ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. Good and bad. अगर ज़्यादा मिल रहा है तो you know लोग explore कर सकते हैं. They can create without कुछ कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. That imagination is allowed to fly because now you have so many avenues of distribution.
Even during this pandemic also, it was kind of a savior.
Exactly. And earlier with cinema, you were limited. कि audience को यही अच्छी लगेगी तो यही scripts चलेंगे यही But now with OTT and because of the pandemic, oh my God. And I think pandemic की वजह से ये story ज़्यादा effective है क्योंकि it deals with mental health और अभी हमारे देश में mental health का बहुत बड़ा issue चल रहा है. It's a very big issue because we have everything in our culture to heal our mental health. We have yoga, we have meditation, we have chanting. But unfortunately, we are losing our culture. We have dance, we have classical music, all these things, your culture, these things you think that they are, they are all rejecting culture. We're like, oh, she's old fashioned, oh, ye hai, wo hai. But these are the things, there is a meaning to everything that is there. There's a reason why it is the way it is, And unfortunately, it's all gotten diluted with ritualism and, ye karna hi padega tumhe. Women are forced to do this. Why? If you force somebody to do it, they're not going to want to do it.
Stereotyping things.
But if you tell them that this is the reason why you're doing it, or this is the reason why we do this as culture, like first mothers used to teach their daughters through stories and love and all of this. Now it's become like, nahi, ye karna hi padega. So I think that's why we're losing our culture. But yeah.
Actually, tell me one thing. You're from a filmy background, like family te शौक होले अड़की काजोल and everything, your parents. So is it a plus point or a negative point? एक pressure रहता है क्या दिमाग में? मतलब
I think it's a huge plus point because I have a wonderful family. See, it depends on your family. If you have a family like mine, which is so amazing, then it's definitely a plus point because my family has never pressurized me. They've always supported me. They've always loved me. They've always told me to go out there and do whatever I wanted. And my mother has been a very progressive mother who has been, my mother is an amazing mother. You know how amazing she is. She's a rock star. She is, she's that person who's like, go live every moment of your life. And when I did this film, she's the one who told me. She was like, you must do a film with a message. With, if she's very proud of this because we know that we're dealing with a very important subject. Mm-hmm. And we're showing it in a very interesting way. In fact, I had to bully the director. I was like, please, I want to do this film.
बीच में कुछ दिन you were on a break. So break के बाद you were with a bang. So what are your future projects?
I don't think that I was ever on a break, but thank you for saying that I'm back with a bang because I am. I'm back with Big Bang. And now the app is available, so please download it and subscribe to it and get go watch this film because it is a very important film for me. And my future projects are this. I'm working on projects like this. I can't talk about it seriously right now because we're here to talk about Life is Short, and I really just want to talk about Life is Short because it is so close to my heart.
And if you share some good experiences with the team members.
Oh, I had a lot of good experiences, but I'm telling you, working with Lilliput ji was so. I think when you work with an actor with that much experience, you automatically start growing. And there was this one moment, where I have to, I have to do something to Lilliput ji, right? I can't. If I tell you, then it will reveal the end of the story, so I can't tell you. But just know that he's a big prankster. He is quite a prankster. So it was really funny. He really he got me scared on set because it was a night shoot. Yeah, and I get very scared. So and Lilliput ji nicely scared me on the night shoot. So I was like, oh God, please.
So you're scared of ghosts?
I'm very scared of. I don't believe in ghosts. I hope there are no ghosts. I mean, I do believe in ghosts. I don't know. I'm very scared of the dark.
Okay. My last question to you is, how much Kajol inspires you?
Oh, she inspires me every day. She inspires me every day just by the person that she is, by the way that she handles her life, the way she takes charge of things, the way she moves through the way she handles her life. I think she
खानी
inspires
पड़ती है दीदी से.
more than nahi, kabhi nahi. She's never scolded me. She's always been very supportive and understanding, and I think we've had a relationship of love, and just I look up to my sister a lot. So हाँ, कभी जब भी मैं छोटी थी तभी डांट खाती थी, मगर अभी इतनी नहीं. Now it's more just love, lots of
love and friendship.
Love and friendship, and just I think she's amazing. I really do. I think she just handles her life so well.
Thank you, Tanisha. It was really nice talking with you, and all the best for your upcoming projects and for Life is Short. দর্শকদের বলবো যে এই ছবিটা কিন্তু দেখাই মাস্ট ওটিটি. হ্যাঁ, প্লিজ.
I've only spoken in English. I'm so sorry.
No, that's not an issue.
I will learn Bangla for you one day.
That's so sweet of you. দর্শকদেরও এই ছবিটা আশা করি সকলেই দেখবেন, এবং সকলের তরফ থেকে তোমাকে অনেক শুভেচ্ছা. আজ তাক বাংলার বাকি দর্শকদের বলবো, এরকম অনেক ভিডিওস নিয়ে আসবো, অনেক আপনাদের পছন্দের তারকাদের আপনাদের সামনে নিয়ে আসবো. তার জন্য কিন্তু আজ তাক বাংলায় চোখ রাখতে হবে. থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ এভরিওয়ান.
Thank you so much.
আজ তাক বাংলা, জানুন সব খবর সবার আগে। সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আজ তাক বাংলা, বেল আইকন প্রেস করতে ভুলবেন না।